Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Sifu Leung Wei, and today we are here for TKD 7. TKD 7 will be a little bit different because you're here today to practice Qigong exercise. Qigong or Qigong is a breathing exercise where you can practice every single day. You can practice early in the morning, you can practice before your warm-up, you can do after your warm-up. Has a lot of healthy benefits, especially now that we're going through this pandemic virus. A lot of Chinese doctors, they are practicing this Qigong exercise for the improvement of the Chinese people health as well. So the Qigong, we're gonna do those breathing exercises is divided in 5 sections. So the first we're gonna do the tiger, second the deer, third we're gonna do this the monkey, fourth the snake, and fifth the crane. Okay, so we're gonna do first a meditation for 1 minute. I'm not gonna do 1 minute. I'm gonna probably do for 20-30 seconds, but you can stop the video and you can do your 1 minute meditation, and then you're gonna start the Qigong. This Qigong is called 5 animals. There is so many Qigongs around. There is Neigong, there is the 18 Qigong, there is Yijing Qing, there is so many more. There's the dragon tiger, which is another one really good. But today you're gonna do only the 5 animal Qigong, okay? So we're gonna start separating our legs the same level of your our shoulder. We're gonna take a really deep inhale, and now your exhale. Inhale again, and then we exhale. Make sure you cross your hands and you bring close to your belly, where we call the second dancing. You close your eyes and you meditate for 1 minute. Make sure you do very deep breathing. Make sure you calm, you're very relaxed when you do your Qigong. There's no tension on Qigong. As soon as you finish your 1 minute, you can pause the video whenever you want, and then you open your eyes, you inhale, and you exhale. You inhale, exhale. Now we're gonna start with the tiger. We're doing section number 2. On this exercise, you can do as many times as you want. We're gonna do twice each repetition, so you can know which one, how to perform. We just finished with section number 1. Now we're going to section number 2, practicing the deer. Part 2 on the deer. Remember, those movements are not for fighting. Those movements is just for breathing exercise. So you can perform your Qi, you can improve your Qi in your on your dancing. Now we finish with section number 2. We're gonna do section number 3, which is the monkey. Now we just finished with section number 3. You're going to section number 4, which is the snake. start section number 5, which is crane. As soon as we finish, we take a deep breath and you go back to the meditation for 1 minute. Make sure you cross your hands, left in the front, right in the back. You bring close to your belly button where it comes to the second tension. You close your eyes and you meditate for 1 minute. You can do standing up or you can sit down. It's up to you, whatever you feel most comfortable. So as soon as you finish your meditation, you relax your arms, you bring your legs close to each other, and then you bow. Close your right, open your left, together, and then you bow. There's so many styles of bow. The way we do is this one. So that's the Qigong exercise that we did today. Again, we can do as many repetitions as you want. We only did 2 repetitions, so we don't need to extend the video. And also, again, this is not a fighting movement. It's like the same thing that you do for warming up. You do push-ups, you do setups. This is just breathing exercise so we can improve your internal chi. There is internal chi and there's external chi. Even that every chi practicing comes from internal, but there's a difference between internal qigong or external qigong, which external qigong is more to increase your power doing for fighting techniques. That's pretty much what we do in Kung Fu. Internal qigong, that's what we do in Tai Chi. We practice our exercise very gentle, very low. Okay. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This video is for warming up for the qigong. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you very much.